Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about who owns Credit Karma. Credit Karma is a personal finance company known for providing free credit scores and credit reports. It was founded in 2007 by Kenneth Lin, Ryan Graciano, and Nicole Mustard. In 2020, Credit Karma was acquired by Intuit, the same company that makes popular financial products like TurboTax and QuickBooks. The acquisition was a significant event in the financial technology industry, and it brought Credit Karma under Intuit's umbrella of services. So, while Credit Karma operates as a distinct brand, it is a subsidiary of Intuit. This means that Intuit is the parent company and owns Credit Karma. This strategic move allowed Intuit to expand its reach and offer a wider range of financial tools to consumers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.